This is the quick release mechanism for the arm support, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. First of all, we have the pin and the tube that connects to the pin, and I'm going to assemble these first. The pin slides into the large hole. It is quite a nice tight fit. The pin can be turned to face in different directions before you tighten it up, but my most usual fitting position is with the small hole on the outside edge. I'm going to add a bit of Loctite into the threads and put the screw in. If you look inside the hole, you can see that the flats that are cut into the top of the pin line up nice and squarely with the sides of the tube, keeping it all square and aligned correctly. I'm going to tighten this up now, but when it's all attached to the chair later on, I will re-tighten it up. It's a bit easier to tighten up some more. So that's the pin assembled. I'm going to mount that into this arm support. I'm using my demonstration arm support because that's what we've got available today. And I'm mounting it in a vertical manner. The tube will be vertical, so this carries on in a vertical alignment. And again, this is tightened up now so it doesn't move, and then later on when it's all attached to the frame, we can make it nice and tight when we get it perfectly aligned. So the other components that we have here, we have the receiver and a connecting block. And on the stand I have a crossbar, which is just like the crossbar that will be fitted on the frame of your wheelchair. I'm going to put the connecting block on, and I'm going to put the receiver in, and I'm going to nip that up now. Again, this can all be adjusted more correctly once you've got the column on the chair. And then holding the column in a vertical direction, we have the hole on the pin which lines up with this locking mechanism, and if you look down the hole you can actually see the locking mechanism popping in and out. And as we push it in, it automatically pushes the locking mechanism open and locks it when it gets down to the end of its travel. If you have a client that has trouble lifting the weight of their arm support, which is about 6 kilograms, they can pull the pin to release it and lift it till the alignment mechanism isn't aligned, and then they can use both hands to lift it up off the chair. So it makes it easier for them. And the same with lining it up to get it in. You don't need to line it up initially, you can push it in. Once it's all the way down, you can then turn the arm support until it locks into position.